Good afternoon, student teacher. My name is Lisa Montalegre Vargas, and today I want to tell you about water for private for diversity, culture, and nature in my beautiful country in Colombia. Exploring Colombia. La mano del gigante will come to will a playful swimming place to discover and learn. One, you must wear for flawless clothes and summer workouts in the waters in the stamping hot. Two, your short breed cards is secret for central no access grade scars. Three, your height supplies your versus early in the morning, not also ground elders versus wind. Four, show my your mind rinses or recharges offer styles. What to do? You must head on the Bradley Lane front the renters for the adrenaline. Fretes Paris if for your head. Try out this area due to discover a unique flora and fauna. You are stanky stomach photos for the giants and flores intertune at the Stockholm Village Place. If your cat is ordered with flowers, it will and tamales. Will to do. Hans Allen's Mano Gigante, Jur Murstaques Intedmani set bien on the Magdalena River Bride. Jur explored the coffin and the door Cadiz Gigante, which after Illiador Sur and Tanset and North. Ulurchur Arts exploring is not this water for where you. My relax and connect is not. Mi tribal experience. La mano del gigante should differ super job rotary super cause also adrenaline active natural fats. You can send a gigant also part of flood or this in rings. These flies course artists when one of the iris or your interzones Colombia is Persian Aguela. In conclusion, Colombia is a country full of color, houses, diversity. Here, recognizes some special of France and this whole people break. Ours attacks is your average versus American Colombia will come with our open is arts Mars glass is. Thank you very much for watching video about Colombia, a country full of life, culture, and a love for natural. See you next time. Goodbye.